Okay, this might look like the same intro like the carry-on backpack roundup video, but please stay tuned because this time it's an everyday carry backpack roundup video.
Love is forever, light as a feather, lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Love is forever, love is forever. Love is forever, love is forever. Dreaming over Tokyo.
Just like in my carry-on backpack roundup video, this is just an overview of the bags that I liked the most and reviewed within the last 18 months. So I will just go over them briefly and categorize them. If you want to see the more detailed videos, I will link to them in the video description below. So let's start with the roundup video of some of my favorite EDC backpacks. When you ask the question, what's the best EDC backpack, then you need to ask the question, what do you need to carry on a day-to-day basis and what style of a bag are you looking for? But to me, the Everydaycarry daily backpack is probably the bag that ticks a lot of boxes and is a great middle ground for many people. This bag has a capacity of 20 liters, the right amount of features, but more importantly, a very good build quality and excellent choice of materials. Furthermore, a very minimalistic but cool design that should fit many people's style or needs. But the Everydaycarry has a, let's say, urban style. How about you need something that fits even better in an office environment? Then you should take a look at the Bellroy Shift backpack. Just like the Everydaycarry, this is a top-loading backpack but with a more sleek look that fits perfectly in an office environment or even with a suit. The sleek design is underlined by this unique one-hand opening hook mechanism. You can fit a lot of items inside this 22-liter big backpack. But compared to the other bag, this has the fewest features in terms of organization. So if you want some more organization because you carry a bunch of tech items like hard drives for instance, then you should take a look at the Aer Tech pack. This 16-liter day pack shines with a lot of organizational compartments. Actually, this bag is designed around this organization. So you have the front compartment with all the organizational compartments, the well-padded laptop compartment in the back, and the main compartment wedged in between. And I say wedged because the main compartment of the Aer Tech pack is the smallest main compartment compared to the other bags. Nevertheless, you can fit a lot of stuff into the bag overall, but what if you need some more space in the main compartment for grocery shopping for instance? Then you need to go with the Attitude Supply ATD1. The ATD1 is one of the rare hybrid backpacks that combines a clamshell opening with a rolltop top loading. And with that it combines the best of two worlds, easy packing and unpacking with a clamshell opening and expandability with its rolltop opening. So you can fit a bunch of items into this bag but still compress the bag quite a lot to have a manageable size for everyday use. So you can roll down the top and compress the bag from about 55 liters capacity to a very manageable 20 liters. Furthermore, the build quality is exceptional. I actually compared this bag to the Evergoods CPL24. The Evergoods CPL24 is an incredibly well-made and durable bag. This bag is actually being made by one of the former GoRuck designers and therefore often is being compared to the GR1, and rightfully so. This bag is one of the most durable of all these bags in this roundup. This bag is built like a tank and just judging from its build quality, you could think that this is a military bag. But while you can see some mil-spec DNA in this bag, its toned down and practical design makes it quite suitable for everyday use even in some offices. But it's not only very durable, but also very comfortable to carry. Overall, this bag has the right amount of features and is very well made. But then again, this might be too basic for you in terms of compartments. If you want lots of durability but still want lots of compartments to organize your stuff, so a mix between the CPL24 and the Aer Tech pack, then you need to take a look at the Blackember Citadel. You can get the Citadel in two versions, the minimal or the modular version that is customizable with different pouches and mods that attach to the outside of the bag. While I'm usually an advocate of a bunch of pouches and modular packing, I prefer the minimal version. The Citadel is made out of a heavy-duty material and uses a laser cut and bonded construction that actually gives the bag an IPX6 waterproof rating. This doesn't mean you can go swimming with it, but it keeps your stuff very dry. All these bags covered the stuff that you need on a day-to-day basis for work, but what if you want to go to the gym afterwards? Then you can go with the Farerdesign Dayfarer. Not only you can fit surprisingly a lot of stuff into this bag, but it also has a separate shoe compartment to keep your stuff clean from either your dirty shoes or your smelly gym clothing. Just like the ATD1, it is a hybrid, but this time it's a hybrid between a top loader and a kinda clamshell opening. And with this it has a capacity of 18 to 22 liters. So you can fit a lot of stuff into this bag, but overall it's not too big on my back. The total opposite is Mission Workshop's Rhake. Comparatively, this looks rather big on my back, but I actually don't mind at all because this bag has in my eyes a cool look, lots of useful compartments, fits a lot of items, although not as much as the ATD1 rolltop, and is very comfortable to carry, even fully loaded. This is a rolltop backpack. I usually do not like rolltop backpacks because I usually can't find small items in the deep black hole that is the main compartment of a rolltop. But the Rhake has these two front organizational pockets and another quick access compartment, so there's no need to bury any of your small items in the main compartment. Mission Workshop is known for their bicycle DNA, and while the bag is great on a bicycle or motorbike, for riding on a motorbike I do prefer the Velomacchi rolltop. Compared to the other backpacks, this bag is lacking in terms of capacity or organizational features. But this harness system totally makes up for lacking a lot of extra compartments. This harness system not only looks cool, but also makes carrying this bag like a breeze. You actually do not feel that you have a bag on your back. You can move around your arms and head freely, even when wearing your heavy protected motorcycle gear and helmet, which obviously is very important for safety when riding. Furthermore, the bag is highly abrasion resistant and keeps all of your stuff that is inside the main compartment dry when you're riding through the rain. Alright, this was just a quick and brief overview of the Everydaycarry backpacks that I like the most of all of the backpacks that I reviewed within the last 18 months. So let's do a quick recap. The Everydaycarry is the all-rounder that is probably suited for most people. The Bellroy Shift backpack that is the best for the office. The Aer Tech pack is the best for the office if you need a lot of organizational compartments. The Attitude Supply ATD1 is the biggest in terms of capacity if you plan to carry a lot of items. The Evergoods CPL24 is the most durable of all of them. The Blackember Citadel is also very durable and very organized with lots of organizational compartments. The Farerdesign Dayfarer is the one for the office and the gym. The Mission Workshop Rhake is the pure roll top with lots of organization, and the Velomacchi roll top is the best if you want to ride on a motorcycle. If you want a more detailed look on any of these backpacks, I will link to the individual videos in the description below. And I'm pretty sure that I missed one of your favorite backpacks. So I would like to know from you in the comment section below, what backpack are you rocking on a daily basis? And like always, if you have any more questions, please comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And please feel free to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you won't miss the next videos. Thank you very much.
One thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm home.
If you're one of my Patreons, you have already seen the unboxing of the Alchemy Equipment Carryology Collaboration Backpack. On my Patreon you can find preview videos, behind the scenes, unboxings and a vlog style kind of way. These videos are supposed to be a thank you to all of the people who support me via Patreon. This Patreon actually exists because I want to keep this channel sponsorship and ad free. At least I don't want to have any ads beyond the YouTube ads. You can see my thoughts about that in the video in the info tab above. Obviously, please do not feel obliged to support me via Patreon. I'm already very thankful that you watch my videos and support me that way. But if you want to help me to grow this channel, then you can go to Patreon and watch these little vlog style videos as a thank you. But all my regular content will still be free for you to watch on this channel. So I can only highly thank you for watching my videos, subscribing to my channel, subscribing to my Instagram, and maybe also supporting me via Patreon. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much.